Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Loving Little Learners. This video is going to show you guys how you can use classroom agenda slides to ensure that your students are prepared on time and that they also understand what it is that you're doing for the day or for the subject that you're teaching. So as you can see in my example here, let me go ahead and make it bigger so you can see. I have my subject area that we're focusing on. And then over here on the left, I have what we're going to be doing. And you can break this up as what you want them to do ahead of time and what you're going to do together. Or you can just lay out all of your agenda items for this subject. I have my objective right here. And that objective is also tied to our Common Core State Standards. So if your principals are coming into your classroom, they are going to love to see that. And then this also reminds you to verbalize this objective to your students. Also, I have all of the supplies that they need to prepare for this reading lesson that we're going to do together. And this is going to be displayed to my students ahead of class so that they have the chance to get ready. So I have also included a countdown timer. So this is an example of how you can use this agenda slide. And this resource is going to be listed in my Teacher Pay Teachers account or storefront that is going to be linked in the description box below. As you can see, there are many different subject areas that I've included here, including morning work, reading, writing, science, math, technology, geography, choice time, social studies, English, art, STEAM, and STEM, phonics, spelling, and then also homework. If I didn't list any of the subject areas that you teach and you're interested in purchasing this, go ahead and leave a comment and then I can always add to this resource. It's a growing resource. So if you don't see something that you would like, go ahead and send me a message or a comment and I am more than happy to add those in for you. Within every subject area, you'll see there's two options. One that says class starts in and then has a countdown timer. And then if you don't need the timer, then you just have the option for listing the date. So I can say today is, and then go ahead and type in the day, September 14th, 2020. Okay, everything on here is editable. So I can go ahead and type in what I want. And also what's really cool is that for these timers, let's say you don't need an hour, you can go in and click on your video and go to format options here and go to video playback. And you can either choose to mute your audio if you have a video. If you choose a video from below that has the music or an audio that goes along with it. And you can also choose, let's say that I only have 34 minutes before class starts because for whatever reason, maybe I came in late, maybe I started this late, or maybe that's just how long we have. So I can go ahead and select whatever time I want and go here where it says use current time. And so my video will play from the 34 minutes and 52 seconds instead of the 1 hour when I present it to my students. So you also have the option for homework here where you can lay out your homework items for the week. And every subject has this blank page that it doesn't have anything on the right-hand corner and it doesn't have the objective title here. So you can go down to the bottom. The last couple of slides are for customizing. So if you go here to objective titles on 52, you can see that there's different options. You can do an I can statement, essential question, just list the standard or learning target. You can have a don't forget. So I'll show you guys how to use that. I'm going to choose the don't forget and I just click and copy. And then I'm going to go to the subject that I want and go ahead and paste it in. And then I can resize and move it to where I need it. And then now I can say, don't forget your art supplies or whatever it is, or don't forget to grab your drawing that we started on Monday. Okay. And then I can also go further and fill in the supplies needed section by going to page 51. And I can go and choose what supplies that I want. So I can say I need them to have a pencil. So I'm going to click copy. and then just go to my slide and paste it in. Move it over, and I can continue to do that until I have all of the different supplies that they'll need for this subject area. When it's time, I just go ahead and press present for this slide that I want to present to my students and have it playing on my Google Meet or my Zoom. So again, this resource is going to be listed on my Teacher Pay Teacher store. That is also going to be linked below. I'm so open to hearing any suggestions that you guys have or extra subject areas that you guys need. I think this is a great way to keep your students organized, on time, and also a good way for you to go ahead and show them what is expected of them and what your objective is for the day. Everything is all in one place. So those are all great things that we can use for this resource. And as always, go ahead and press the like button on this video and make sure to hit the subscribe button to see more videos from my channel, Loving Little Learners.